You're still watching the Citi Newsroom on Citi TV. We're still staying on the nomination of Justice Anin Yeboah. Now, the ranking member on Parliament's Constitutional, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee, Inusaf Hussaini, has expressed disappointment with his nomination. According to him, the most senior justice at the Apex Court, Justice Doche, should have been given the nod. Reacting to the news of the latest nomination, the Tamale Central MP could not fathom how Justice Doche was bypassed.
First Deputy Speaker Joe Osei-Usu broke into ongoing deliberations about the budget estimates to announce the President's choice of nominee for the position of Chief Justice.
Chief Justice Akufo-Addo is due to retire from the bench on 20th December 2019. Her 70th birthday. In order to avoid a vacuum in the office of the Chief Justice following her retirement, I have decided to initiate the process for the appointment of her successor. To that end, by letter dated 2nd December 2019, pursuant to Article 1441 of the Constitution, I consulted with the Council of State on my nominee, Mr. Justice Anin Yeboah, Justice of the Supreme Court, who has been on the court for the last 11 years and 5 years on the Court of Appeal prior to that, to succeed Chief Justice Akufo. The Council of State has notified me by letter under the hand of the chairperson dated 11 December 2019 of the successful completion of the consultation process. Thus, in accordance with Article 1441 of the Constitution, I write to inform you that I have nominated Justice Anin Yeboah, Justice of the Supreme Court, for approval by Parliament as the next Chief Justice.
Even before Justice Anin Yeboah appears before the Appointments Committee of the House for confirmation hearings, some legislators have been expressing their views on the appointment.
Definitely, the President has been making a lot of nominations, and almost all the time he's gotten it right. So I believe that the nomination of Justice Anin Yeboah will go a long way to promote justice in the country and also promote the judicial service in the country. I believe that now that we've gotten a new justice for as the Chief Justice, I strongly do believe that some of the lingering issues should be looked at, so that we can bring finality to the issue of these student issues coming up most of the time. And I believe that he's capable of looking at it.
Bench. He's the most senior.
But were they not appointed at the same time? That's Doche and Anin Yeboah.
He's the most senior on the bench.
What does that mean?
In the ranking, he's senior.
Was he not were they not appointed at the same time by President Akufo?
I'm telling you that he's senior to Anin Yeboah. In fact, even at the time that they were appointing the Gloria, Sophia Akufo, Doche's name came up forcefully. And I was given to understand that the Chief Justice, who is about retiring, was going to serve a short term, and probably after that term, Doche will be considered.
Are you disappointed?
I'm disappointed because it means that the chances of Doche are foreclosed, because he's older than Anin Yeboah.
She's of my own. I am sure that he will work with the Judicial Council, the General Legal Council, and they will have their own vision. And I will not offer any vision of my own for him. I know for a fact that they were appointed the same day. They were classmates. They were appointed onto the bench, the High Court bench the same day, to the Court of Appeal the same day, and to the Supreme Court the same day. But at the bar, the two of us are called to the bar the same day. If your name is mentioned first, you're senior. Then I'm second, you're senior to me. But that's all. It doesn't mean that they are the same day. They are contemporaries.
The House also approved budget estimates for various ministries, departments, and agencies. The request of the Attorney General and Ministry for Justice for 136 million Ghana cedis generated considerable debate.
The department also intends to open offices in the Eastern and Bono regions. IOCO projects to investigate about 400 cases. General Legal Counsel in 2020 envisages to dispose of 85 dismissed cases and to enroll 460 lawyers to the bar. Mr. Speaker, major challenges of the sector over the years have not improved much.
Let's help the Attorney General. Let them help this country. Let there be peace in this country. Get some money, prosecute those who should be prosecuted, defend the country, get them library, get them books, get them chairs, get them facilities, get that building completed. My breath.
I've always maintained that Parliament saying that it has the power of the purse and it controls the purse and exercises oversight under the 1992 Constitution remains a constitutional myth. If it's not a myth, then help the Attorney General. But Mr. Speaker, we can. Maybe guided by you, today we should take a decision that 1% of annual budget funding amount of petroleum revenue be dedicated to support the Attorney General. We can do it. Yes, 1%. I haven't said even 2%. We can. ABFA. And realign just 1%. Mr. Speaker, if you know the importance of rule of law, you would appreciate and respect the Attorney General.
Well, the appointment of a new Chief Justice has taken over in terms of the new cycle in Parliament for this sitting. Apart from that, the House has concerned itself mainly with considering the budget estimates, the highest of which has been that of the Ministry of Defence, which runs into billions of Ghana cedis, has just been approved for that ministry. Reporting from Parliament, my name is Duke Mensopoko.